is the iPhone 6s. This is the iPhone 6s. This is a smartphone that was released by Apple in 2019. It sports a 4.7 inches IPS LCD display, which is quite colorful and super sharp. Also feels very comfortable and handy when you can. I also love the fingerprint reader on here. It's very fast and super responsive. This is just me practicalizing setting my fingerprints. Just look at how fast that is. Very fast. Now to the cameras. Both the front and rear cameras shoots up to 4K 30 fps. The camera quality is very decent and nice. I really love it. Now to the battery. It has a 1715 milliamp hour battery, which is pretty solid for a device like this. Now to the software. It runs on Apple iOS 15.8, which is really nice. The UI and the graphics really make sense. Comes with 2 gig of RAM and a variant like the 16, 32, 64 and 128 gig. This one I have here is the 64 gig version. If you are going to be daily driving this device, then there is going to be a problem because you are going to be needing a power bank. It performs pretty well. It's very fast and responsive. It handles multitasking perfectly. You can simultaneously open one or more apps at the same time effortlessly without having any issue. Thank you for watching, and this is my review of the iPhone 6s.